In this video, you're going to learn about the principles of lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a production process based on an ideology of maximizing productivity while simultaneously minimizing waste within a manufacturing operation. Many manufacturers are using lean manufacturing principles to eliminate waste, optimize processes, cut costs, boost innovation, and reduce time to sell in a fast, volatile, and ever changing global marketplace. To not take full advantage of all your resources is to lose efficiencies and in doing so stunt production. For many people, the phrase lean manufacturing is synonymous with removing waste, and eliminating waste is certainly a key element of any lean practice. But the ultimate goal of practicing lean manufacturing is not simply to eliminate waste, it is to sustainably deliver value to the customer. Some well known companies that use lean include Toyota, Intel, John Deere, and Nike, etc. Now, what are the five principles of lean manufacturing? These are value, value stream, flow, pull, and perfection. Now, let us discuss each principle separately. First one is value. Value is identified from the perspective of the customer and relates to how much they are willing to pay for products or services. This value is then created by the manufacturer or service provider who should seek to eliminate waste and cost to meet the optimal price for the customer while also maximizing profits. The second principle is map the value stream. This principle involves analyzing the materials and other resources required to produce a product or service with the aim of identifying waste and improvements. Value stream comprises the product's entire life cycle from raw materials to the final product. It includes disposing anything that does not add value. And the third principle is to create flow. It means to eliminate functional barriers and identify ways to improve lead time. This ensures that processes flow smoothly and can be undertaken with minimal delay or other waste. Lean manufacturing relies on preventing interruptions in the production process and enabling a harmonized and integrated set of processes in which activities operate in a constant stream. And the fourth principle is to establish a pull system. Lean manufacturing uses a pull system instead of a push system. With a push system, inventory needs are determined in advance and the product is manufactured to meet the forecast. However, forecasts are typically inaccurate, which can result in swings between too much inventory and not enough inventory. This can lead to additional warehousing cost, disrupted schedules, or poor customer satisfaction. Lean manufacturing is based on a pull system in which nothing is bought or you only start new work when there is a demand for it. Pull relies on flexibility and communication. And the fifth principle is perfection. Lean manufacturing rests on the concept of continually striving for perfection via continued process improvements, which is also known as Kaizen, as created by Toyota Motor Corporation founder Kichiro Toyota. It involves targeting the root causes and quality issues and ferreting out and eliminating waste across the value stream. Now let us move on to advantages of lean manufacturing. Number one, it saves time and money. More efficient workflows, resource allocation, and production can benefit businesses regardless of size or output time. More efficient workflows, resource allocation, and production can benefit businesses regardless of size or output. Time saving allows for reduced lead times and better service in providing products quickly to customers, but it can also help save money by allowing for a more streamlined workforce. And second advantage is that it is environment friendly. Removing unnecessary processes can save cost in energy and fuel use. This has an obvious environmental benefit, as does the use of more energy efficient equipment, which can also offer cost savings. Number three, improved customer satisfaction. Improving the delivery of a product or service at the right cost to a customer improves customer satisfaction. This is essential to business success as happy customers are more likely to return or recommend your product or service to others. Now, what are the disadvantages of lean manufacturing? First one is employee safety. By focusing on removing waste and streamlining procedures, it is possible to overlook the stresses placed on employees who are given little margin for error in the workplace. Second one is that it stops future development. Lean manufacturing's inherent focus on cutting waste can lead management to overfocus on the present and disregard the future. However, these may be important to a company's legacy and future development.